Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some pork country style ribs in the air fryer. I have a couple of pork shoulder country style ribs here that I found for $1.97 a pound, which is cheap for pork these days, so it was $4.10 for these. These aren't actually ribs, it's just, you know, pork cut into strips to kind of resemble ribs. So I'm going to do these in my air fryer, and what I'm going to do is just season them up with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I use this a lot. But you can use any type of seasoning or barbecue rub that you like, or just salt and pepper, whatever. I'll flip it over and do the other side now. Now I'll get these into the air fryer. This is a 6-quart air fryer, Cosori TurboBlaze. So 2 of these just fit right in there. Close that up. And we'll turn this on. I'm going to use the air fry setting. I'm going to set it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set that for 17 minutes. I'm not sure if it'll take a little more or a little less, but we shall find out. This just shut off. I'm going to check on it. Oh yeah, that looks nice. But let me check the internal temperature. I want the internal temperature to be about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 164 on that one. Let's see what this one is. 162 on that one, so that's perfect right there. The only thing I'm going to do now is brush on some barbecue sauce. I have some Kinder's mild barbecue sauce, so I put some in a bowl here. I'm just going to brush this on, and then I'll put it back in there for another minute or two just to let the sauce kind of warm up. Okay, that looks good. Get that back in there, and it reset, so I'm just gonna start it, and I'll just keep an eye on it, let it cook for another minute or two till the sauce warms up. Alright, let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, that looks real nice. These look good. Let's cut into one and see how it looks. These have bones in them. The bones are going that way, so hopefully I can just cut across here. Is there a bone right there? I think there is a bone right there. Try not to get a bone there. Okay, that looks good. That looks real juicy on the inside. Look at that. Very juicy. Nice. So, just slice off a piece right there. And we'll try that out. These turned out very good, very juicy. I cooked some the other day, but these turned out better. Guess we better let Annie try it. Honey, the new kitten, had to jump in the shot too. Here you go, Annie. Want to try that? There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. And Honey wanted to help out a little bit, I guess. Well, those turned out real good. They cooked for about 17 minutes, and actually the internal temperature was about a little over 160, so about 165 degrees Fahrenheit right in there. The ones I cooked the other day, they cooked a little longer to about 175 or 180 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, and they were quite a bit drier, so I like these a lot better. So a little lower temperature, a little juicier meat, which I like. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.